Welcome back to Make Money Online. Today we'll be looking at the Cardano cryptocurrency and how you can become a millionaire through it. After launching in September 2017, Cardano's ADA token mostly remained under the radar of traders until the end of November. Since then, the cryptocurrency has jumped by 1,520%. With a market capitalization of $18.8 billion, Cardano was the fifth most valuable cryptocurrency as of 2019. Cardano's primary use case is as a cryptocurrency. ADA, its cryptocurrency, is part of Cardano's settlement layer. Cardano is often referred to as the Japanese Ethereum, and reports last year indicated that it was being made available in Japan through ATMs and debit cards. Cardano is the habitat for the ADA cryptocurrency, which is mainly used to send and receive digital funds, making direct transfers fast and possible through the use of cryptography. Even as the crypto industry has skyrocketed to prominence in the last couple of years, most cryptocurrencies have had chaotic growth trajectories. Scandals, hacks, and disagreements that resulted in hard forks have brought a bad rep to their ecosystem. More than being a cryptocurrency, Cardano is a technological platform that helps run the financial applications which are being used by individuals and institutions all around the world. The platform is being constructed in layers, which gives the flexibility to allow for upgrades of a soft fork. Cardano also runs decentralized applications and services, which are not being controlled by any third parties. This is the first blockchain project designed by a global team of engineers and can be implemented on mission-critical systems, such as aerospace and banking applications. Cardano is a blockchain project founded by Charles Hoskinson, co-founder of Ethereum, to provide a more balanced and sustainable ecosystem for cryptocurrencies. According to its website, ADA is the only coin with a scientific philosophy and research-driven approach. In practical terms, this means that its open-source blockchain undergoes a rigorous peer review process by scientists and programmers in academia. The nonprofit foundation that runs Cardano has also partnered with a bunch of academic institutions to research and review all aspects of its blockchain. For example, researchers at Lancaster University are developing a reference treasury model to find a sustainable way to fund future developments for Cardano's blockchain. How is Cardano different from other cryptocurrencies? Despite its projectile increase in recent times, ADA is somewhat of an outlier in the volatile world of cryptocurrencies. ADA calls itself the first third-generation cryptocurrency and claims to tackle scaling and infrastructure problems that first showed up in Bitcoin, a first-generation cryptocurrency that introduced the idea of digital coins, and Ethereum, a second-generation cryptocurrency that expanded use cases for coins to smart contracts. Specifically, Cardano aims to solve problems related to scalability, interoperability, and sustainability on cryptocurrency platforms. The first problem refers to the slowing down of networks and high fees due to an increase in transaction volumes. Cardano's algorithm, Ouroboros, has been put forward as a possible solution to its scaling problems. ADA's algorithm uses a proof-of-stake approach to save on energy costs and enable faster transaction processing. Instead of having a copy of individual blockchains on each node, as is common in Bitcoin, Cardano's blockchain streamlines the number of nodes in a network by appointing leaders responsible for verifying and validating transactions from a collection of nodes. Subsequently, the leader node pushes transactions to the main network. The cryptocurrency is portable both within its natural ecosystem and in its interface with the existing global finance ecosystem. Currently, there is no way to perform cross-chain transactions between cryptocurrencies, or to conduct a seamless transaction involving cryptocurrencies and the global finance system. Exchanges which crash or charge exorbitant fees are the only intermediaries. An assortment of regulations concerning customer and transaction identities has further distanced the cryptocurrency ecosystem from its global counterpart. Cardano aims to enable cross-chain transfers through sidechains, which conduct transactions between two parties off-chain. It's also exploring ways for institutions and individuals to selectively divulge metadata related to transactions and identities to enable the use of cryptocurrencies for trading and daily transactions. Finally, its sustainability is about governance structures that provide incentives to miners and other stakeholders, and about evolving a self-sustaining economic model for the cryptocurrency. In addition to this, it aims to build what its creators describe as a constitution of protocols to avoid messy hard forks, such as the ones that occurred in Bitcoin and Ethereum. In the future, protocols will be hard-coded into Cardano's blockchains, and applications using the protocol, such as online exchanges and wallets, will automatically check for compliance as the applications are being built. The nonprofit foundation that runs Cardano has built up an extensive list of partner institutions to refine its algorithms and develop new governance structures. According to Hoskinson, The partnership is mutually beneficial because Cardano's research projects align academic incentives with the cryptocurrency industry's expectations. As impressive as its ambitions are, Cardano's ADA has the same flaw as other cryptocurrencies. It has little to show by way of implementation. The blockchain was released only in September 2017, and the number of nodes within its network are all controlled by the foundation. The cryptocurrency also faces fierce competition from other cryptocurrencies in a crowded ecosystem. Litecoin, a Bitcoin offshoot, is angling for a similar role for daily transactions. Dash, which has inspired Cardano's approach to governance, also has identical aspirations. Ripple might provide strong competition to Cardano's ambitions of becoming a bridge between existing financial systems and cryptocurrencies. Cardano's blockchain intends to expand beyond coins into a control layer that will provide services absent in the cryptocurrency ecosystem today. Over the past week, Cardano's price surged by 100%, overtaking Bitcoin Cash and becoming the 6th largest cryptocurrency. However, the surge is influenced by two significant factors. The very obvious being the Bitcoin rally, and the second factor being all the exciting upgrades like the release of functional smart contracts that are lined up on the network for 2021. Cardano is trading at about 32 cents with an increase of 2.37% in the last 24 hours, with a market cap of a little over $10 billion and a circulating supply of a little over 31 billion ADA. Cardano predictions. With the market being volatile, predicting the cryptocurrency price is one of the most difficult tasks. This chart shows that Cardano has suffered from a huge correction in price, and that's a very good thing. RSI shows that it's oversold and MACD lines are closer than ever, ready to show some bullish signs. We also have a falling wedge highlighted in yellow. If everything goes how it should, be ready to open a position. A very good coin at a very good price. Here the price of Cardano is shown consolidating within an ascending triangle pattern, with a price target of about 5 cents in the near term. This pattern will be confirmed with a breakout in price and volume to the upside, with a resistance level halfway between 3 and 4 cents. This trade is very much in place. The target for the triangle is 5 cents, but it could move higher. The volume is not very high. We're likely to see a little bit more volume going up. Also, for the move to be sustained higher in the short term. This chart shows how Cardano reacted from the support level and has been rallying ever since. The price is now at the resistance level, and it's been seen how the price reacts from it. If the price drops down, we can expect it to reach the support level again before the rally resumes. But if the price breaks through the resistance, we can expect a retest of the same level and a continuation of the rally. The coin made a bounce off 24 cents support resistance zone at 0.236 of our fib retrace. We made it above our 21 EMA and 0.618 fibs. If we hold support here and break out of immediate resistance trendline, there's a high chance of testing at 0.786 resistance zone. Decent entry for trade at 30 cents if we can manage to break out of the 33 cents resistance area. Also a high chance of getting spiked out with a tight stop loss. A safer stop loss would widen our risk. We wouldn't suggest making a trade right now if you've missed the 24 to 28 cents price levels, because we're going up for a resistance test at 33 cents to 36 cents. You might be able to do a wedge breakout trade when it breaks out of blue resistance trend line at 33 cents. There is a huge potential that ADA can still hit the 50 cents level for longer term. This chart shows ADA against USD going up, and the first target is around 32 cents for the indicated 47.56 RSI. A Smarterium analyst believes that the future of ADA is bright when he claims that the one-year forecast for an ADA token is around $2.50, with the potential to reach roughly $10 in 5 years. The blockchain technology will gain more trust and traction from the users, and if we talk Cardano especially, it can touch $2 by 2023. In 5 years or more, Cardano might achieve greater victory as there are lots of partnerships and integrations planned down the line. This is going to impact ADA positively for the long term. Cardano might even go up the ranking order and establish itself as one of the top 10 cryptocurrencies in the world. By 2025, Cardano might reach $2.88. It can even touch the $3 mark. 2021 will prove one of the luckiest years for Cardano when it surges upward drastically, and it can touch the 40 cents mark once again. Cardano prices have crossed 40 cents in the last bull market of December 2017. This year, the price of ADA may be trading close or higher than its all-time high price of $1.20. This is expected due to inbound project development. Also, as mass adoption takes effect, more global users will push institutional money into the ADA project, which may have a great influence on price moving forward. We hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please leave us a thumbs up, subscribe, and click on that notification bell so you can get updates whenever we post a new video. Would you like to know more about Cardano? Let us know your answers in the comment section below. And as always, thanks for watching.